Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's learn daily sentences. सभोवताली बघत रहा. Keep looking around. Keep looking around. चला एकत्र जाऊया. Let's go together. Let's go together. इकडे लक्ष दे. Focus here. Focus here. त्याचे विचार चांगले आहेत. His thoughts are good. His thoughts are good. तुझ्या शौर्याला सलाम. Salute your bravery. Salute your bravery. अजून बारसं व्हायचंय. Naming ceremony is yet to be happened. Naming ceremony is yet to be happened. असं काही नाही. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. अभ्यासाच्या बाबतीत रीना मागे आहे. रीना is behind in terms of studying. रीना is behind in terms of studying. माझी बॅग शोधायला तू मदत करू शकतो का? Can you help me to find my bag? Can you help me to find my bag? तू ईमेल का नाही लिहित? Why don't you write an email? Why don't you write an email? या डॉक्युमेंट्सचे काळजीपूर्वक वाचन कर. Do read these documents with the utmost care. Do read these documents with the utmost care. काही बोलायची गरज नाही. No need to speak anything. No need to speak anything. सकाळी तिने माझा मूड खराब केला. She spoiled my mood in the morning. She spoiled my mood in the morning. तिथे खेळू नको, तुला लागू शकते. Don't play there. You might get hurt. Don't play there. You might get hurt. ही संधी पुन्हा येणार नाही. This opportunity will not come again. This opportunity will not come again. माझे केस गळत आहेत. My hair is falling out. My hair is falling out. मला खूप घाम येत आहे. I'm sweating too much. I'm sweating too much. मला घरी तरी पोहोचू दे. Let me reach home at least. Let me reach home at least. माझी मान आखडली आहे. My neck is stiff. My neck is stiff. यशकडे पुरेसे पैसे नव्हते. यश didn't have enough money. यश didn't have enough money. तू एवढ्या मोठ्याने का बोलत होता? Why were you talking too loudly? Why were you talking too loudly? मनातल्या मनात कर. Learn it in mind. Learn it in mind. लाईट चालू कर. Switch on the light. Switch on the light. तिचा ड्रेसिंग सेन्स चांगला नाही. Her dressing sense is awkward. Her dressing sense is awkward. चॅलेंजेस स्वीकारा, यश तुमचेच असेल. Accept the challenges, success will be yours. Accept the challenges, success will be yours. Goodbye friends.